This video walks you through how to set up sales tax rates in Xero. Begin by signing in to your Xero account. Once you are on the main dashboard, go to Settings. This is where Xero keeps the account configuration options, including the tax settings you will need for this setup. After the Settings area opens, look for the Tax section and select Tax Rates. That will take you to the list of tax rates that already exist in the account, along with the controls for creating another one. On the Tax Rate screen, click New Tax Rate. This opens the form where you define the new sales tax rate. The first field is for the tax rate name. Enter a name that clearly identifies the rate you are creating. Use wording that will make sense later when this tax rate appears as an option in transactions, since this same name will be visible when it is selected on invoices, bills, quotes, and purchase orders. Next, add the tax components for the rate. Xero allows you to include one or more components depending on how the tax needs to be structured. For each component, enter the applicable tax percentage. If your sales tax setup includes more than one part, make sure each component is entered in the correct place with the correct percentage. This is the part of the setup that determines how the total rate is built, so take a moment to enter each figure carefully. After the name and tax components are in place, review the details on the screen before saving. Check the tax rate name, the number of components, and the percentage entered for each one. If anything looks off, adjust it before moving on. This review step helps make sure the rate appears correctly when you start using it in your transaction forms. When the details are correct, click Save to create the new sales tax rate. Xero will add it to your account and return it to the tax rates list. You should now be able to see the new rate alongside your existing tax rates. If you are managing several rates, look through the list and confirm that the name appears the way you intended. Once it has been created, the new tax rate becomes available throughout Xero when you are entering transactions. You can select it while creating invoices, bills, quotes, and purchase orders, which means the rate is ready to be applied wherever that tax setting is needed in your workflow. If you named it clearly and entered the components accurately, it will be easier to choose the correct option during data entry and document creation. Your new sales tax rate is now saved in Xero and available in the tax rates list for use in invoices, bills, quotes, and purchase orders.